doesn't feel big. It's powerful, but it doesn't feel aggressive. It's the perfect balance. Technology inside the 760i is on another level. From gesture controls to voice commands, everything feels intuitive. The infotainment system is fast, responsive, and packed with features. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced navigation, and even 5G connectivity. This isn't just a car. It's a smart machine. Safety, BMW didn't hold back. With advanced driver assistance systems, lane keeping, collision warnings, and adaptive cruise control, this car is constantly watching the road so you don't have to worry. And then comes the biggest question. Is it worth it? With a price tag starting around $125,000, the 760i xDrive sits at the top of the luxury segment. Edmunds +1. But when you consider what it offers, performance, technology, comfort, and presence, it starts to make sense. Because this isn't just a car you buy. It's a car you experience. A car you feel. A car that reminds you what true luxury looks like. So the real question is, would you choose this over the Mercedes S-Class? Or is BMW finally taking the crown?